no, Aliga.
Yeah.
Teresa, man.
Okay.
No, kakara nando kuri hiyo limiro ngatodhira dhira Maria. Aye. Amo pandiri. Pandiri aliko ta.
Aye, man.
Nafumba kwa Aliga.
Yes, yes, I'm a friend.
Yeah. Palinga na vipi?
Yeah. But I was going to miss you.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Unapati yange.
Yeah. Okay, I will call you.
Yeah.
But you must also call me. Call me. Unabukarata tenge.
Yeah. I could take it.
Yeah.
I could take it.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Pima na hiyo.
That's ya punto.
Maria, you know my love. I'm going tomorrow. But I don't want many stories. I love you.
What stories? Do I look like a loose woman now?
No, don't take it personally. I'm just saying this because of love.
You know that distant relationships are not easy. But you and I are married and we are committed to our marriage, right?
Ah, yes.
And I will miss you, but just know that I'll always be yours forever.
Me too.
Okay?
Okay? Oh, my love. I'm going also to miss you. But you must be safe.
Okay.
Oh, yes. You make me happy. You make me to think very... I don't know how to say now. Maybe when I go back, I will tell you about my life, what's going on there.
Okay, you should do that. But tonight, you need more attention and less sleep. So, let's go.
Okay.
Can't believe you are leaving me alone today.
Oh, my love, I'm telling you already. I need to go.
I'm just saying I'll miss you.
Yes, I know. There's nothing to do. Nothing I can do.
Are you going with a taxi or is your boss coming to get you?
No, my boss won't come to take me, but he's very busy. I will just go and take a taxi.
Ma'am, do I know you?
Maria, you can't remember me? Oh my gosh. My best friend, I mean.
Lovisa, who is this lady?
She's Kandeshi from school, since primary school and secondary school.
Oh my God, Kandeshi.
Anyway, she was a terrible Maria.
Kandeshi from Pioneer School.
Wondering, Maria.
Oh my God, I thought you passed away
How?
years ago. You're always the troublemaker. Please,
I'm
I'm
just
so
kind of-
happy to see you.
I'm happy too.
Please have a seat.
Okay.
Sarah, come in, come in.
And how are you, Ma'am Maria?
I'm fine. Where have you been? Oh, so, Sarah, where are you coming from?
I just passed by, then I see that Meme Maria is staying this side, and I decided to come and visit you.
Oh, wow, thank you. I was beginning to become lonely here.
Where is your husband?
Oh, my husband went away last month. He was transferred to another town to go work there for I don't know how long. So he went last month.
Okay, that is good. But you must be strong. Be like a woman. Don't be like a other women. This geshinganda tereja motaninga shaya monasani ya yazipo ni ronga yotata megetaningini membine ipumbwa iporoporo.
Oh no, of course not. I love my husband and I'll wait for him.
Okay, that is good. Inandia ndikarere, otanya ndikutarere po skulimwe, cause I see that you are lonely. Otandi zipo manga. Oh.
I look forward to that.
Okay, otanya ndikutarere po nare skulimwe.
Okay, let me escort you out.
Oh, long time. We did not meet since we all finished the wedding.
Oh yeah, the wedding. It was nice, wasn't it?
Okay. Oh, you are having a nice plot. Okay. Nandiya ndikutare po skulimwe.
Yes, I look forward to that.
Okay then. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you for visiting.
All right. I will come back one day.
friend of my husband.
A friend of your husband? Where is
He was in Angola somewhere there. That's why you did not see me at the wedding.
Aye. Shukumi.
No, seriously, it's not what you think.
No. I can't believe it. It's how you do, Maria. I was trust you.
No, you can still trust me. It's not what you think. I can guarantee you that.
Aye, yesto ningo shapuka. Oshiri memana shokendi tandate lokato ningingauka. Ame shidali penye kwa le ngondo ndogo dide ndi ani kumukalela kupohango ni ndene peto to ningini meri ngondo shiri. Aye.
It's not what you think. It's just a friend, nothing more. I love my husband, although he's very far away. Just trust me this once.
Oshiri ngoshi tolombolenge Maria. Munyu no manu inopunga ukarato ningito chitingo samano engenga atipo. You cannot cheat your man.
I'll never do such a thing. Please.
Aye. Oshiri wakumi fangi. Anti kupura muri meni ngakucha. Who's that man? Itu amukurango wakukuteko shiri. Oshiri Maria.
No, it's just the way you came in. I didn't expect you. You came unexpectedly. And I was just going out. That's why I had to push you out. I was planning to go somewhere. I was just fixing my hair. So you can come visit me some other day.
Okay, no problem. Mara, nanti tambura ko shiri.
No, you can come visit me. I'll call you so that I can explain more.
Oh, ewa? Unduta konde mara nanti tambura ko Maria sto ningi shapuka. Nakungo ko ningi ni meringa. Aye.
I'm sorry for that.
Oh, what's that one, baby?
She's just a friend of the family. She was there at the wedding and all that. You don't have to worry about it. I'll deal with it.
Is it not going to report to
No. I'll play a very nice. She won't.
No. I don't trust you. I have to go.
Oh, now?
Yeah.
You can come back in the evening.
I'm really afraid for me. Maybe she's gonna report to your husband. Then I don't want you to put you in problem again.
Okay, I understand. You can come back in the evening, okay? You don't have to worry.